Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the battery in your Alfa Romeo Giulia key fob. First, let's gather our essential tools. You will need one new CR2032 3-volt battery, which is commonly available. Additionally, a small flathead screwdriver will be necessary to gently open the key fob. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in, as this simple task only takes about 5 minutes to complete. Now, let's carefully open your key fob. Begin by locating the small release buttons on the sides of the fob. Gently press these buttons inward and slide the back cover off. Once the back cover is removed, you will see the emergency key. Pull this physical key out from its housing and set it aside. This action provides clear access to the internal components and the battery compartment. With the key fob open, it's time to replace the battery. You will notice a small battery plug. Rotate this counterclockwise to unlock it. Then, use your small flathead screwdriver to carefully pry out the old CR2032 battery. Be gentle to avoid damaging any internal parts. Now, insert the new CR2032 3-volt battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. Press it firmly to ensure it is securely seated. Finally, let's reassemble your key fob and test it. Reinstall the battery plug, rotating it clockwise until it locks securely. Next, slide the emergency key back into its designated slot within the fob. Carefully align the back cover with the main body of the key fob and press it firmly until it snaps securely into place. Once reassembled, test your key fob to ensure all functions, like locking and unlocking, are working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.